What is it?
It's only FPV Friday!
Can you see it? You're my spotter.
Yeah, I can see it.
Think we go all the way to that big hole up on top of that cliff?
I thought you can't fly it there.
You can't fly it on the other side of the cliff. You can fly it on this side. My concern is it's not gonna be able to go that high. It's in meters. Why is it in meters?
Oh, I'm so sweaty. I'm too sweaty.
Do you still see it?
No.
It's 120 feet in the air. I don't think it's going to let me go higher than that because it says on OTG wired connection. And I have the obstacle avoidances off. Oh, it's 120 meters. That's the size of it. I keep thinking in feet. 120 meters is max. It's a beautiful place, oh my gosh. And the river is muddy. It's 63% on the battery. I can.
You take your time. I'm not in any rush.
Okay. It's I'm really low on the cliff. I'm in the bushes. There's lots of cactus. I see a lot of cactus. The lower I get, oh, there's water in some of these holes. Is it mud? That one looks like water, but the rest look like mud. Can you hear it?
Yeah, is it coming back?
Well, it's getting close to the edge of the river now.
I didn't hear it.
But I'm heading over to the bridge. I don't know if I can have a signal to reach to the bridge or not. Oh, is that boats or is that rocks in the water?
Rocks.
No, I think there's boats. Yeah, I think some people on kayaks are coming to look towards the bridge over that way. Yeah, those are kayaks. Gonna fly over them a little bit. Do you see them? They just launched from over in front of that bridge.
Ready to go kayaking down this. Sounds fun.
I'm gonna go under the bridge. Oh, it's gonna come back because of the low battery though. Cancel that.
Batteries go quick.
Yeah, about 10 minutes. I've been filming for 6, but I'm a long ways away. I'm gonna go past the kayakers again. See, now I got sweat running inside my goggles. I'm going in the middle of all the kayakers and they're all looking at my drone.
Yeah, they're probably afraid to look after them.
The river's so muddy, it was a lot clearer when I was here last in April.
Do you think it's cold?
No, I think it's pretty warm. When I was a kid and went on survival camps down here, the water was always warm unless it was coming out of the mountain in the spring. I can hear it beeping because the battery's low. The reflection though is pretty. You see it?
Do I have to put my hand out again?
If you want to. Hold it right up to the bottom.
Even up higher.
I know, keep pushing, it'll come down.